Today I'm going to show you guys how you can add a button when it comes to your Odoo website. First thing you want to do is head over to the website editing page and you want to click on edit at the very top right over here. Once you've clicked on edit, you see right over inner content, there's a button. What you need to do is drag this button and wherever it is, you want to put it, like let's say you want it here, does not matter. So let's say we want it here. So you'll just put the button here and then you're going to click on it. As you see, once I click on it, I get all the options to change it. Let's say if there's an appearance, like it comes up, if it's fade, pulse, or, I want people to be seeing it shake, things like that. And then another thing you can do is inline text. So over here, if I click on here, and let's say this is a buy now, right? And I do that. So now it says buy now. And then you can do a lot of other things. And if I click on save, as you can see, this thing right over here is saved. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.